Welcome back to Overheat, Kenworth Motorhome, 2026. Exterior, impressive size. The roomy interior of this RV is reflected in its enormous size. Modern aerodynamic design. To increase fuel efficiency and lessen wind noise, the body of this RV was designed with aerodynamics in mind. Ample external storage and matched storage capacity for tools and sporting equipment may be found in the roomy underbody storage compartments, which frequently have hydraulic access doors. System of 360-degree cameras for safe parking and traffic control. Fog lights and headlights with adjustable LEDs. External utility hookups are easily accessible. Interior, cockpit, driver area. Fully digital dashboard with 2 touchscreens. Plus cozy electric leather seats. Living area. This space will have luxurious leather couches or high-end fabric chairs, frequently with sleeper capabilities. Kitchen, dishwasher, huge sink. Convection oven, microwave, induction cooktop, and full-size refrigerator with ice machine. This kitchen will look great with sophisticated storage systems and plenty of pantry storage. Master bedroom. A king-size or queen-size bed will be located in the master bedroom. Considering its size, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome will be propelled by a powerful Cummins or Picard diesel engine, most likely an inline-6 that generates enough horsepower and torque to easily tow a trailer or tow truck over steep gradients. Sophisticated automatic transmission, a comfortable driving experience, and seamless, effective gear changes are guaranteed by a sophisticated automatic transmission. Air braking system will offer superior stopping power and increased safety. Much like a heavy-duty truck, a home automation system uses a touch panel or smartphone app to centrally control the temperature, lighting, awnings, slide-outs, and entertainment systems. Satellite connectivity for distant internet access, cellular antenna booster, and integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. Security system, advanced door locking system, alarm.